Try this oven cooked potato recipe. It's so good. For this dish, first you need to boil the potatoes. While the potato is boiling, here I have foiled on the baking sheet and spread some vegetable oil. Lay all the boiled potatoes on the baking sheet, and we start by mashing them. On the baking sheet, because I do want to have the top part be greasy. Okay, now it's time to add the spice. For the spice, I need salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. So let's start with spiced all the potatoes and it's ready to go to the oven for 400 degrees. After 15 minutes, I take it out of the oven. I'm just going to drizzle some vegetable oil. And put it back in the oven. Almost total of 20 minutes in the oven. So now I'm going to flip them. Back in the oven. Takes about total of 40 to 50 minutes to both sides to cook. Adding some Parmesan cheese, some feta cheese, here I served on my plate and I added ketchup. Thanks for watching.